Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see. We have some important news today. Besides the news, I don't think we have anything going on. We got ready for the news for CAD at 9, and then the big American news is going to be later on in the day at 1 p.m. for the funds raise. So there's a chance the price can just consolidate for the entirety of the session. Um, it's not guaranteed though, but this is market open here, so go ahead and get this candle marked up. Um, Check where the highs are here. Okay, so we could be showing some trend exhaustion here, especially if we start to come up here and maybe just consolidate like it looks like we're doing. Um, Drop down to the 1 minute now and wait for structure and an entry. Okay. After you mark up that 5 minute, you just drop down to 1 minute, wait for structure and entry. Nothing more, nothing less. Um, I'm not gonna be per se talking as much as I was yesterday because, as I said, we're just waiting. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put that on the screen here. So, let's see what price does from this area. I'm so sorry. I don't think anybody is here, but I've been working out. TP has been hit. I had my music playing, so I did not have my mic on. Y'all saw me come in. No, start marking this up. So, I'm definitely in a. Hold on, let me pause my music because this is unprofessional. All right. So, long story short, I waited until I saw some structure. This pullback here, I loved it. Um, it's classic. Nice little candle pullback, and we closed right back outside. Um, I did not leave a runner, but if I did, we would have hit 1 to 1. Now, I actually didn't even. Um, the stop was so small that even going in at my max position, which my max my max contract size is, I um ended up just taking full TP for about half of what I normally do, which is fine. We can go ahead and update the stream record to 7 and 2. Yeah, I did not have my mic on. I'm in here working out and um trading at the same time, essentially. Got my workout equipment right behind my desk, so I go back there, bust out a couple reps, look at the screen, and repeat. But as y'all can see, we are making new all-time highs. So price will probably keep pushing. See, I'm not sure, bro. It's wonky. It's a wonky week. All right, so we got Feds cutting rates at 1 p.m., but markets have been moving up for the past week or so. So, like I said yesterday, not sure if the market's already priced in the rate cuts by the Feds. Um, like right now, this could all be reaction to the Fed rate cuts that haven't even happened yet. So then once Fed rate cuts finally do come, we could possibly get pull on liquidity to the downside. Looking for liquidity to the downside. So because we've been going up. So that is another win for me though. Stream records updated. Let me go ahead and update. It was so last second. I didn't have time to explain it to y'all. Like, of course, if you know the strategy, then you know that was the entry. But uh, y'all probably don't know my strategy. I'm pretty sure I'm the only person I've ever heard taking my strategy how I take it, because it is a strategy that I cultivated from other strategies, of course, but I was able to work it and bend it to make it work in my favor. So you always want that. I think that feels the best. Um, it's better than copy trading, better than any other. We probably do get a 1 to 2 here. Never came back to stop loss. Yeah. It went for a 1 and 2. I just didn't have a runner. So that's my fault, honestly. But I couldn't, yeah, stops were so small. I would have had to go full margin to even get anywhere near my daily, risk is. But I just went in at what I knew. I know that normally if I go in at 40 micros, I'll be good. And no matter how small or big, no matter how small the stop loss is. If it was huge, if the stop loss is huge, I wouldn't obviously go in at 40. But yeah, got a W. Another one. That brings us to a 22 trade winning streak. 2 trade winning streak on stream. It's rezoned. It's rezoned. It came out. Rezoned is when it comes out the zone, i.e. down here for this fake out, and comes right back in the zone. Yeah, man, I really like that. That was real. It was good. That was good. and you start to realize that you're not just taking random entries in the market. Once the market leaves your area, it doesn't come back, and it does that all the time. So just more confidence for myself to know that I'm trading in the right direction. Um, yeah, man. There's nothing else to be said though. Like I said, I was in the middle of a workout. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and finish out my day. Wanna it's done. Another W. All right, y'all. So without further ado, I want to call it good shit today. Good patience again. Show up tomorrow, rinse, wash, and repeat, man. All right, y'all. 248 J Dot. I'm out this bitch. Get Ock. Stay disciplined.